The right side of the green.
Franklin's gull. Dark back. That's a light for Dad. Look. Probably grasshopper. You can look. Just grab the book. Kidding me?
Oh my lord. Hey, Dad, there's also a giant red bug bigger than yours.
There she is. See her? She's camouflaged almost.
Yeah, I see her face.
Look at her. Look for the eye. Here comes another baby. Man, that's a lot of babies.
Look at the baby's eye. What's the baby's eye color? What's its eyebrow?
No, it's a pheasant. It is way long. Did you see how long the female's tail was?
Yeah.
Massive.
That's a
Here
pheasant?
comes another baby.
Oh my gosh, it's like 9 or 10
It's the biggest
babies.
clutch of babies ever.
I don't think it looks like a sage grouse.
You think it looks like a pheasant?
What's a female?
The mom's right there, if you can look and just get a
Is
good
she right
idea.
there?
Double
Yes,
check.
she just went into the woods
Easy
again.
thing, if you just see that her eyes are, if her eye is white, that'll be so.